This is your sign if you're extra. This is your sign if you like to collect things. Let's
So
go.
we are back and we have all our embellishments, all our keychains, all of the things that we want to add to our purse. This is the bag. So cute. It's like a mini duffel. I think it's so darling, so cute, so quaint. It's my birthday. We're going to be embellishing this for my birthday, and let's get into it. This will be the main chain that goes like across the front, and then all the other little charms I could just add to this one because I do have some charms that are just flyaways that I don't have to add, and I got this stuff from everywhere, y'all. So I'm putting this on first, and I had to use my little baby pliers, which I will be adding to this as well. And I had to open up one of the prongs. Okay, now we have it on the bag, and I had to use my baby pliers to open it. So now what I'm going to do is start adding stuff. And I think that the first thing I'm going to add is this cute little embellishment here. And with these, I think I'm just going to add these like on the sidelines, like on the side of the bag. So these are easy. So there's that on the first side, and then I have this mirror that I purchased that I'm gonna put on the other side because some of the stuff is just to be cute, but some of the stuff is for actual use. I want to be able to use it, so this will be another cutesy wootsy that I just put on this side over here with the mirror because I don't want that mirror getting scratched, honey. I don't know, this is so pretty. I don't know if I want to add it to the side or I think this will look cute like on here. I think I want to add it like center stage like that. I think that's cute like that. And then like I have this flashlight and I think I'm going to put this on the other side. Or maybe I should put my, no, I'm not going to put that on the side of the mirror. I'm going to put it over here. So, okay. I'm going to just put it over here. Now we got our flashlight here. Let me pull this, take this crap off if I can. And then like on this side I also want to add my pliers because you never know when you need some pliers. I thought I had some that would close them. Oh snap, this is a little knife. I ain't gonna be able to take this. I thought it was just, is it a knife? This ain't no knife. If this is a knife, I ain't gonna be, this can't go. Is that a knife, y'all? That ain't no knife. That's like a nail cleaner. Let me make sure ain't nothing on this side. They even took my little stuff away from me. Yeah, oh, it's a heavy duty. This is a screwdriver. This little thing is cool. Okay, so yeah, I need this. I need this in my life. See, I thought it was something that would keep it closed like this so that it's not open. But, oh well, we just gonna put this, we gonna just put this on the heavy duty side with the flashlight. That's over there. All right, now on the cutesy wootsy side, we will be putting this, and this has a pull string, and this is lip gloss. So if I'm somewhere and I need my lip gloss and I don't feel like taking out my other lip glosses or my Carmex, I'll have this handy right here on the side, and I'll have to do all that searching and looking for it. I just have this right there on the side for that. And what is another big one? This little change purse that says, "Let's get this bread." It's so cute, and I'm gonna put that. It's a little camera, so this is the cutest camera. And it actually flashes. Like the little camera actually does flash. It's not taking real pictures, but it does flash. Like, how cute is that? So, I think I'm gonna put this on the cutesy wootsy side. So I'm gonna put this over here. Pretty cute. And I was thinking like my purse is gonna be empty looking, but my purse is full, almost full already, and I don't even got no stuff in it. Okay, so along these, I'm just gonna add little bedazzles that I have. I got this out of a gumball machine and I really loved it, and I was gonna make it out of a bracelet or something, and then I was like, you know what, this would go cute on here, so I'm just gonna add that right on here like that. How cute is that? How cute, how cute. Zoom in, zoom in. Okay, and then I have like these little gummy bears. I'm gonna add these. I wish they had like a better way of adding them. I mean, I could put them on one of these and just put it on there like that. That's what I might do. That way I can just line them all up on here and just put this whole entire thing. That's what I think I'm gonna do. And then I also have this, but this is a actual pin, and I'm not sure if I want to pin on here. I might pin it at the top or something. And then I have the other fruits that I can just hang. So I have my passport, which is the cutest, and I'm just gonna hang this on here. Make sure I hang it the right way. All right, then I'm gonna do cherries. I'm gonna do it this way to make sure it's hanging the right way. Y'all acting like I don't want to go. Oh snap! I might have to put this on something else and get it on here, because I got like 3 of them like this. So I'll be back because I'm gonna have to put these on something else to put these on here.
So here it is with all of my little bedazzles on it. I added the gummies to the pen, and then I added this one, and I added the fruit on by a little ringlet, and I'm going to add this onto one of the sides. I think I'm going to put it on the heavy duty side just to balance everything out, because I really didn't want anything hard over there with that mirror scratching it up. And it says the keys to the getaway car. So cute. And then I'm putting the pliers back on because I did have to use those to get some of the other ringlets open. And then I have this, the one last thing that I'm going to pin on there, which is so cute. I had to push that down in there and make sure I didn't poke a hole through the other side. And that's that. So cute. I love it. I'm in love with it. It's so cute. It makes it match with so much more stuff this way. And it doesn't look too messy or whatever. Like it's just cuteness overload. And that's a magnet too. So I'm proud of my little bag, my little birthday bag, my little flashlight right here, my little pliers, a little screwdriver, a little coin pouch, and and that I'm going to add more on that. And then this with my lip gloss right there, the drawstring, and then my mirror to see myself, and then this little cutesy wootsy, my little fake camera. I got a story about that camera. And that's it. And then
And last but not
I
least, we
almost
have our
forgot
little
my other little
change purse
purse just to
that
add a
we
little
can
label to it. You
add
don't have
on
to add
this
this.
other
I just wanted
end
to because
over
I
here
thought it was
somewhere.
cute, so I just
Let's
added
add it
it
right there on the side.
in there. And that
This.
is a
Yeah.
wrap. That is it. I will put below
That
in the
is
description where
the
I got most of the stuff. Some of the
cutest.
stuff I do not know where I got it from. I
Cutest.
had it for a long time. I just collected it.
Also thinking about maybe adding this chain either a shorter chain and adding more, or either turning it around to the back side and maybe adding let me know what you guys think, or I'm doing too much. Like if I added this on the back side, just let me know. And bye bye.